Yes, good evening. Good evening to one and all. Myself Chandni Chimnani and I am here to give you a lecture about an interesting topic in mathematics. Okay, so in our daily life we are seeing various types of shapes like heart, star, okay, circle, triangle, cone. Okay, so today we are going to learn about or discuss about geometric shapes in detail. Okay, like circle, triangle, square, cube. Let's discuss it further. Yes, students. Okay, so what are shapes? In geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline or its outer boundary or outer surface, and we call that as a shape. Okay, let's move further. Different types of shapes. Therefore, shapes can be classified into open shape and closed shape. Okay, see in the first column, a shape can be drawn from one end point to the other end point, and it called that as open shape. Okay, and closed shape is nothing but when the shape is drawn from one end point and ends with only that point only. Therefore, we call that as closed shape. Okay, let's move further. Therefore, closed geometric shapes can further be put into two broad categories, namely two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. In short, 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Okay, here examples are given. Square is nothing but example of two-dimensional shape, and cube is nothing but example of three-dimensional shape. Okay, next, what is the definition of 2D or two-dimensional shape? In maths, 2D shapes can be defined as the plane figure that can be drawn on a flat or plane surface or a piece of paper. Okay, and all the 2D shapes have various parameters such as area and perimeter. In 2D shapes, two parameters will be there. They are nothing but only area and perimeter. Okay, some of the 2D shapes contain sides and corners, whereas some have curved boundaries. Okay, some 2D shapes have sides and corners, and some 2D shapes have only curved boundaries. Okay, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's move further. So there are various types of 2D shapes. Triangle, next is square, next shape of 2D shape is nothing but rectangle, next shape is nothing but circle. Okay, therefore let's discuss it one by one. Okay, what is circle? The set of all points in the plane which is equidistant from a given point called center. Okay, the distance from the center to the outer line of the circle is called radius. Okay, therefore examples are given. The example of circle in real life are wheels, pizza. Everyone likes to eat pizza, yes or not? Orbit, yes, etc. If you know many more types of or examples of circle, let me know the example of circle in comment box. Okay, let's move further. Next, two-dimensional shape is nothing but triangle. Okay, triangle is a polygon which is made of three sides, consists of three edges and three vertices. Okay, also the sum of its internal angles equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? Okay, next, pyramids are best example of triangle. Okay, if you know many more examples of any type of shape, let me know in the comment box. Let me know more example of any shape in the comment box. Okay, Let's move further. Square. What is square? Square is quadrilateral where all four sides and angles are equal. Okay, and the angles at all vertices equal to 90 degree each. It is considered to be a two-dimensional regular quadrilateral. Okay. Next, the diagonals of square also bisect each other at 90 degree. Yes, a wall or a table where all the sides are equal are the best example of square shape. Okay. Let's move further. Rectangle. What is rectangle? A rectangle is a two-dimensional shape which has four sides where opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. All the angles of rectangle are equal to 90 degree. Okay, all the angles of rectangle are equal to 90 degree. Here the examples of rectangle are given. See, a brick or a TV, cardboard which has length and breadth. Yes, are the best example of rectangle. If you know many more examples of two-dimensional shape, let me know in the comment section. Next, properties of 2D shapes. Triangle is having the three sides and three vertices or three corners. You may call that as vertices or corners. Is one and the same thing. Okay. Next, circle is having one side and circle is having no vertices and no corners because it is round in shape. Yes. Square is having four sides and four corners or vertices. Okay. Next, rectangle is having four sides and four vertices. Yes. Next, hexagon is having six vertices and six corners. Next, oval shape is having one side and zero corners because it is oval in shape, having no corner and no vertices. Okay. Okay, let's move further. You may check the properties of rhombus and pentagon also. Both are having, rhombus is having four sides and four corners, where pentagon is having five sides and five corners. Okay. Let's move further. Let's see 2D shape poem. Okay. Here, circles go round and round, circles go round and round, no corners, no sides, circles go round and round. Okay. Next, square. Squares have four corners, squares have four sides, all corners are same, all sides are same. Okay. Next, rectangle. Rectangles have four corners and four sides. Two sides are short, two sides are long. Okay. Next, triangle. Triangles have three corners, triangles have three sides. Sides and corners can be of any size. Yes, it's interesting. Okay. Circles go round and round, circles go round and round. No corners, no sides. Circles go round and round. Okay. It's very easy. Very interesting. Let's move further. Next, what is the definition of 3D or three-dimensional shape? Okay. In geometry, a three-dimensional shape can be defined as a solid figure or an object or shape that has three dimensions: length, width and height. Okay. Unlike two-dimensional shape, three-dimensional shapes have thickness and or depth. Yes. Okay, students. Next. Let's see 3D shapes of polygon. There are various types of three-dimensional shape. One is sphere, next is cylinder, pyramid, cube, cone. Okay, if you know many more examples of three-dimensional shape, please let me know in the comment box. Now let us discuss some one by one. Okay, now we have to discuss these 3D shapes one by one. Okay, cube. What is cube? A cube is a 3-dimensional shape which has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. The faces of the cube are square. Okay, example of cube is nothing but a Rubik's cube or an ice cube or a dice. Okay, so these are nothing but examples of cube. Let's move further. Next shape is nothing but cone. A cone is a solid which has a circular base and narrows smoothly from surface to the top at a point called apex or vertex. Okay, example an ice cream cone. Yes, an ice cream cone is perfect example of cone. Okay, next move on to the cylinder. A cylinder is a 3D solid shape that has 2 parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. It has no vertices. Okay, example gas cylinder. Okay, next move on to the next shape, that is sphere. A sphere is a round shape in 3D plane whose radius is extended to 3 dimensions, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Okay, example of sphere is nothing but ball. Okay, let's move further. Properties of 3D shape. Okay, cube is having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes, next cuboid is also having 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Yes, next a cylinder which is having 3 faces, 2 curved edges and 0 corners. Next is pyramid which is having 3 faces, 8 edges and 5 corners. Okay, next is nothing but cone which is having 2 faces, 1 curved edge and 1 corner. Next is sphere, 1 curved surface or 1 curved face, 0 edges and 0 corners. Okay, see here what is face, what is corner or vertex, what is edge. Okay, if you have any doubt, let me know your doubts in the comment section below. Okay, let's move further. 3D shape poem. Let's sing it. 3D shapes are fat, not flat. Yes, find a cone in a birthday hat. You see a sphere in a basketball and a cuboid in a building so tall. You see a cube in the dice you roll and a cylinder in a shiny flagpole. Okay, thank you students. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment box. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.